Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make soy sauce braised quail eggs. To get started, bring a pot of water to a boil and add 24 quail eggs. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. We want them to be hard boiled. Then add the eggs to an ice water bath to cool the eggs down. Peel the quail eggs and add them to a pot. We'll also add a 3/4 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 minced garlic cloves to the pot. Give it a stir and bring to a boil and continue to stir every now and then to cover all parts of the eggs. Cook the eggs for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the liquid has reduced and created a thick sauce. Add the eggs to a small bowl and pour the extra sauce over the eggs. Garnish with sesame seeds. And that's it! This is a delicious side dish that can go with literally anything. And even though the eggs are cooked for a long time, the yolk stays really creamy. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!